HiRevz Media is sponsored by Born to Ride Motorcycle Magazine. Check out borntoride.com. Alright guys, got the T bucket over here and about to start working on it. Also grabbed the Fiat today and decided to drive it. And we're going to wash them both because this thing is super dirty actually. It don't look too bad on camera, but it's pretty dirty. And this thing's not crazy dirty, but the engine has some extra paint on the intake for whatever reason. So we're going to try to eat some of that off of there and then put some degreaser on it. Try to get all that degreased. Degrease all this because I want to repaint all of this gloss black and the motor gloss black. It doesn't look too bad with the green, but the Chevy orange with green and purple that I'm adding just doesn't seem to look right. So I think we're going to paint it black. All right, guys, we got it pretty much wiped down and cleaned up. Trying to degrease this motor. And got the Fiat looking really good. So, but the car's not looking bad. Got most of the crud and grime. I had like layers of like dust and stuff on it. Wiped down the interior and stuff too. I didn't want to make it look too good because I still like I want it, vintage look. I want it to look like it's, been built forever, like it's a survivor, and it is. But everything I do to it, I want to continue to make it look like it's a survivor. So, and what's funny is, we were trying to take off the red and realized that the whole engine was orange and then red or vice versa. And then they painted the intake silver. So we weren't doing much good. So now we're just trying to get it cleaned up, get all the crap that's on there off, and then we're going to figure out what we're going to do about painting. And luckily, it still runs. So we wiped it down, but letting it kind of finish up drying. But definitely a lot more red than I hoped for, so we figure out what we're going to do on that. But it's doing pretty good for now. Finish wiping it down. All right, guys, we got the hot rod over in the shop now because we got the heater going in here. Move the bug over there so we can start messing with this thing. And got it cleaned up and gonna start working on the motor, getting it painted, and then we've got a switch panel we're gonna add in, which is really cool. It's like off of a 49 Nash, so it's real 50 style. And then back here we've got some 59 Caddy lights we're gonna be putting in, and a few other things that we're gonna do. And then all this back here is gonna be painted nice and gloss black. So as we're painting the motor, we'll paint the drag link, paint all of that back here, and then all of this front end stuff's already been painted by the guy I got it from. At some point in time, we're gonna paint those brakes and whatnot as we tear that stuff apart. So just start knocking things out slowly here and see what it looks like. All right, guys, we put these in there just for mock-up. We were able to use the stock 2 holes to run at least one of them, and then we kind of brought them in. So it kind of centers it a little bit more in the panel, and it'll still work with the floor and everything that's inside that, trunk area or whatever. But that looks pretty dang killer. Look at that. Nice Dagmar sticking out the back. Looks like 2 rocket boosters propelling this thing. That looks slick. That is exciting. All right, guys, we got this side unbolted, and Daddy is drilling holes in the body and getting these mounted up, which is looking really good. Alright guys, taillights look awesome. And right now we're working on painting the intake, which is looking much, much better. Obviously, if we ever do a cam or switch out the intake or something like that, you know, we might blast this one later, but just painting it aluminum silver for the moment is looking much better. You get the motor painted black, then we can start working on valve coverage and all the other stuff. All right, guys, Daddy's working on turning this motor black, and intake is pretty much done. And we did replace some of the bolts in here with some nice new ones, so that looks a lot better. Got rid of some of the rusty, nasty bolts, and then did a little bit of polishing, a little bit of cleaning on some of the other metal stuff, but I still want it to look like a Survivor. I'm not worried about air cleaner or valve covers because all that stuff's going away. But it's going to be pretty good. All right, one side down and one side to go. All right, guys, the motor's coming together, looking pretty good, and I wanted to show you this. So I added these to the front part of the cowl here, and that's essentially the name of the car, Toxici-T, what we named her. And there's the monster that we came up with, kind of radioactive monster here, dripping and nasty, and mix it in the purple and green with the car. I think it's gonna look really good. I'm thinking about doing reverse scallops on the rear right here. That looks kind of like this Moon Eyes die cast that I've had since I was a kid, and I always like those stripes. So then we're thinking about doing that, but I think that looks pretty dang cool. What'd you think, Jackson? You like it? Yeah. Yeah, I like it. It's good. All right, guys, so got Toxici-T on this side, and the motor is completely painted black now and looks super good. It'll look really good with the pipes back on here and the motor just being black, kind of blending down into the frame, but that looks good. So that is going to be perfect. So you got the transmission painted black. It was easy to get to right here, but looks pretty dang good. So I think that's gonna work, and we'll start working on a few other pieces. So we still got to paint the drag link and then trailing arms and the rear end and all that stuff. Gonna get all that back nice gloss black so it kind of matches some of this rest of the stuff up here. So should look pretty good. And like I said, we got finned aluminum valve covers for it, a finned aluminum small scoop like we had on the other T-bike we had years ago. So we're gonna paint metallic purple lines in there. So it's gonna look really good.